Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I went to Whole Foods the other day and they had this salsa out for tasting. It was so good, you all. I said I have got to take this recipe home and make it. Now they did not provide the recipe, but I did look on the back of the package and then I also looked up some recipes. And this is my take on the pineapple mango salsa. So get ready for something refreshing and healthy to snack on. Okay, so roughly this is the recipe. Depending on what you like, you can add more or less of the following. So I will be doing 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1/8 cup of red onion, about 2 tablespoons of jalapeno, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and then a sprinkling of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and start chopping up everything so we can get it all incorporated. Okay, so we're going to get started with the pineapple. Get this board cleared off. So we're going to put the pineapple, even though it's cut into chunks already because I had it pre-cut myself from a whole pineapple. You can use pineapples from a can, but why do that when you can have fresh pineapple? I remember the first time I had fresh pineapple, oh my goodness. You would never want to go back to can, just, eating it. Okay, so you can go ahead, you can chop it any size that you want to. I like my pieces very small, so I'm going to go ahead and get mine chopped up into small dices. And here's the pineapple all chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and put it into this glass bowl. I'm going to go ahead and get started chopping this mango. This one happened to be organic, probably because I got it from Whole Foods, but yours does not have to be organic. I'm going to go ahead and get this chopped up and get my 1 cup of mango. And here's the mango all chopped up. I'm going to get it into the bowl with the pineapple. I'm going to go ahead and chop up my onion. And you can chop that up any way you'd like. It's all chopped, so I'm going to go ahead and get it in the bowl. And here's my cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and bunch it up. That's the easiest way for me to do it. I like to bunch it up and go ahead and get it chopped. Turn it, bunch it up again, and chop some more. It's all chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and get it into the bowl also. It's time for the garlic. Yes, I said garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 clove of garlic. I probably will not put the whole thing in. This is my garlic press. Like I've said before, it is old. It's not dirty, it's just old. It is a good and old faithful tool from Pampered Chef. So just a little bit of garlic, and that's all you need. So I'm going to get it into the bowl. Here's our jalapeno. So I'm going to go ahead and just slice that in half. And we're going to remove the seeds. I'm not going to use this whole thing. So we just want to do like that. It's very quick, very simple. Removing the seeds and insides removes most of the heat, so you're left with more of a milder taste for your jalapeno. Get all of those seeds out because I do not like heat. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and chop that up. You can chop it up as fine as you'd like. Got that all chopped up, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And here is our lime, and we're just going to go ahead and cut that in half. That looks refreshing by itself, doesn't it? That looks so good, and it smells so fragrant. So I'm going to go ahead and just squeeze it in. You can measure it if you like. I'm going to just eye it at like a teaspoon. And I think it needs some more, so I'm going to use the other half. And last but not least, we're going to season it a little bit with some sea salt. And I'm just going to put it in straight out of the grinder. And I just put in a little sprinkle just to equal about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And you can season to taste. All of this basically is to taste. But look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. So I'm going to cover this up, put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Let all the flavors meld in there. I see that some people put a little bit of sugar in it. I'm not going to do that right off. I'm going to see how it tastes afterwards. I believe the pineapple and mango is sweet enough. So yeah, I'm going to see how this tastes. And I'm going to show you actually how it tastes on camera. All right, guys, I am back, and I have my chilled pineapple mango salsa right here. And let me get it open. I have a fresh bag of tortilla chips. Woo-wee. Now, I have had this in the refrigerator for between 35 and 40 minutes. So, y'all, this has been on my mind the whole time. I've tried to do a little housework in between. Oh, my goodness. I am excited. It smells so fresh. So that's what it looks like. I hope you can see that. I'm getting me a nice big old chip. I'm going to dip it. You know what? I guess I should use my spoon. So let me use my spoon. So I won't double dip. Because my husband, Isaiah probably will not eat this, but my husband, I'm sure will. That is so good. You can taste everything. The sweetness of the pineapple and the mango. The freshness of the lime. I can taste the onion, the red onion. A little bit of saltiness just from the little bit of salt that I put in here to break up the acidity. And the chip is a little salty. The juices from the pineapple have come out. They mix with the lime. There's not a strong hint of jalapeno, but it's in there. You can taste the cilantro. Yeah, cilantro is so fresh. And the garlic, you can taste it a little bit, but it's not overpowering. This is really, really good. While I'm filming this, it is not summertime, but some of you may be watching this later on in the summertime because people look up different salsas to make in the summer. But this is good right now here in January. This is so delicious. And it's healthy. It is healthy. And that's the best part I like about it, because starting out the new year, y'all know everybody's looking for diet recipes or things that are healthy or whatever. And this is something that is healthy. You have fruit, fresh fruit at that. Everything in here is healthy. Everything in here is healthy and natural, so you can't go wrong. Even the sea salt is not real bad for you. Sea salt is supposed to be somewhat good for you, so. Delicious. So, I'm just rambling. If you make this, let me know. Let me know how you like it. And it's so good. Alright, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, let me know if you make it. If you are new here, subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the Tracie's Place family. And click that notification bell. That way, whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified and can see it right away. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.